Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And here we go. This is coming from my good friends over at Lepow. So definitely check these guys out. See what other goodies they have to offer. The Z1 series Type C portable display. These are definitely nice ones to get. They got a lot of different styles. So all you gotta do is click that link. Take a second to browse and pick the kind you like. But we'll test this out and all that good stuff. But we'll see what's inside the box first. And then I'll bring my Chromebook and we'll hook it up. So you can hook this up to laptops, Chromebooks, you name it. Video game systems, Switch, play PS5, Xbox Series. Alright. There we go. Well, they do a nice job with presentation. Z17 or Z1 series. We got a USB cord. Here we go. And I got power adapter. Or you can just plug it in with the USB slot too. So in case you forget this, you can just plug it in the wall. Or you can just plug it in to another USB thing. Power bank or whatnot. Don't need that. Here she goes. You get a protective case or a film for it. Side. Here's some goodies. You get a HDMI, the mini, then the US. Oh no, this is HDMI. That's the USB. I got that. You got some cleaning wipes, user manual, and the FAQ. Don't need that. It's easy to install. So if you're looking for a new gift to give somebody this year, this would be definitely a good one to get. So pretty thick. And that. Cleaning wipes. That. And then yeah, Type C. That. Or no, this is Type C. That's a HDMI cable. Put those right there. And it comes with a case, which is a good bonus, so you don't scratch the screen. There we go. It's one of the foldable type deals that I could never seem to get right. Maybe today's a new day. It goes this way. It already comes with a screen, which I don't need. This will be more home. Put that over there. There's the screen display. I think somehow. But we'll show you. Got the side components, speakers. Got power button right there. And the menu select. And then Type C. But yeah, these things. I'm not a fan of the people like them. Alright guys, here it is. The Lepow Z1 series. Really nice. Got it folded actually. I got some wires hooked up. And I got them all plugged in to the Chromebook. And then let me shut at least this one. And then now we can go to YouTube. Let me type in my channel. There we go. Sounds really good too. Let me there we go. Really nice setup though. They have.
Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go.
See?
Again. We have another special.
Really clear. Great for the Switch. That's enough of that. Great for video gaming. Like I said, really cool. Really super portable. Lightweight. Easy to carry on. Check them out. Lepow. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And get one of these Z1 series Type-C portable display. Like I said, you'll be impressed like I am. So definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. Until then, YouTube, be safe. Have a good night. Good day. See you soon.